Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character T step by step. I will write it in standard script first, then following one word and one sentence. Now let's write T. Means body, form, style. For example, 字体 字体 means typeface. Font. All the systems have the same fonts installed. All the systems have the same fonts installed. 所有的系统都安装了相同的字体。所有的系统都安装了相同的字体 the same fonts 相同的字体所有的 all 系统 system 都安装了相同的 the same 字体。All the systems have the same fonts installed. 所有的系统都安装了相同的字体。所有的系统都安装了相同的字体。T in cursive. T, body, form, style, 字体 typeface, font. All the systems have the same fonts installed. 所有的系统都安装了相同的字体。体 Please comment any sentence with 体. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.